Welcome back, guys. CryptoFollow channel. Today, I would like to show you the updates for Polygon. POL, USDT trading pair with my customer Sat. Let's dive in. So the market is like 50-50. So some tokens pump it, some dump it, and I'm more than sure, but it's just my humble opinion. So we will see that target what I showed you yesterday in BTC video and in today video about Ethereum, because we're still just at the beginning of the August and people react so emotionally. So congrats if you get a profit, because even the, for example, the ICP pumped the 10%. I hope you fix some profit, or if you hold for a long run, you can just wait your main targets, guys. I'm wait a little bit lower correction, but my portfolio, investment portfolio, basically format. So I'm wait now the ICP and that one and the Glimmer. So I added ICP and Glimmer, wait my targets. Maybe I will fill some bags for a spot position. So about Amatic, guys, around here I post the video, everybody's screaming we're going to the moon, but here we landed again inside 27 blocks. So never say never, guys. And this block basically worked perfectly well. No matter what time frame is, we landed here. First time we touch it in March. So now we consolidate in this block. Previously, 5 days ago, the Polygon have some issues, with producing the blocks. So over then almost 1 hour, Polygon not produced the block. So people once again start talk about, oh, we go into zero. It's slowly dying and all of this stuff. But guys, why nobody show the same information about a Solana when Solana could lag, I don't know, 5 times a year or even more previously? Now Solana more stable. Zones where we can once again accumulate the POL. If we will drop lower, so here's a range. So it's around, around 14 cents 57. It will be the test of 0.5 level by FIB. So it's going to be the perfect test. I guess here we leave it at the gap in April. Not a gap, leave liquidity pool in April. And I think this can be like a target. I wish to see this sweep 32% down. Of course, it sounds even weird, for this moment, but it's possible. I don't think so. We're going to drop to 12, 9, or 7. No, not now. Let's say not now. Globally, of course, guys, why to 0.5 level by fee? Because it's also around the monthly gap, what we leave it here, 1160. Yeah, so also the 1160 is possible to close the monthly gap. But of course, it's not necessary, so we will drop now. But just in case, just keep in mind, so if you dream about accumulating Polygon before, you can do this, or now because we are in accumulation zone, or with the lower targets. I better take a pause now for August, at least for the first 2 weeks on August, and wait one more correction. If not, I will skip just the Polygon if it's more than okay. If we zoom out to the line chart, we can track the line charts. You can find and identify the downtrend. So this is downtrend line. We can extend it right line. So this one. So sooner or later, guys. Anyway, we will go higher to the test of that line. Sweep this break of structure. It's 81 cents, $1.12 retest, and at least conservative price target. It's $1.93, $1.68. Take a look the candles. So local one, guys. This is this one break of structure. So I remind you, when we form some like order flow. So here, for example, at the bottom, bounce, over than 61 level FIB, correction, nice one. If we form this one, almost touch 0.5, no, yes, almost touch 0.5. So if we count this current one top, and if it was the bottom, so we can hold the line, form like double bottom on the weekly and bounce at least to 45. But guys, I hope to see that lower price on Polygon for the last shakeout, right? So that's it. If we talk about uptrend, guys, to start talking about a global reversal move on alts, first of all, BTC dominance should be under 55%. It's one take. Second moment, we have to move like this one and break the structure with retest or without. This is the direction of what I waited for Matic. We'll come back to this video later, maybe in a week, to double check what's going on now with the Polygon. But I don't think so. The Matic is that, you know, like everybody talk about. Also, we go into zero. No, this will never recover back, guys. It's just a pure speculation, even up and or down. So all tokens move in this way. Weekly time frame, guys, main liquidation, of course, over than 22 cents 35 on the weekly time frame. On there, we got anyway some liquidity, but I wish to check on the monthly time frame. On a monthly time frame, like you can see, let's come here. This liquidity pools. So I wish to grab that liquidity pool. I don't know, 17. Yes, so 17, it's possible to see above, I can't say some big liquidations. So main liquidation being here, here. So some over than 26 cents, hard to say. Let's double check the 24-hour liquidations. So yes, I think we will drop a little bit lower. So anyway, we form the double bottom. This one 1898 sweep, this one, and form EQO lows. If we form the EQO lows, yes, we will come back and sweep that liquidity pools later. But middle term targets, it's a 76 break of structure, right? Retest of the downtrend line and go higher to the $1.35, $1.96, so around $2. And yes, guys, around $2, it can be the end of cycle for the Matic. I hope, of course, this stock will hit the new all-time high. And if we talk about all-time high, it's around $4. But it's not necessary, so we will hit the new all-time high. Not all tokens, guys, hit a new all-time high every single cycle. So let's double check, guys, now with my customer cassette, what's going on now with Matic. So a crypto ADZ, I can show you the whales accumulate. So whales accumulate. I think that everything will be okay with the Matic, with the Polygon, sorry. So here, previously, whales accumulate. They not accumulated, you know, at the bottom, but after that they pump the token. So approximately like 160. So the same story can be now. Some accumulation. It was a tiny pump, like 48%. I wish to see the drop and reversal move. Monthly time frames, guys, above. Also, we got a gaps like this one. Gaps, it's always like a magnet for the market makers. This one, after that, this one, and here all gaps are closed. So at least, you know, 2 of these gaps will be closed with this move or without. So just a matter of time. I wish to see the direction on the monthly drop to the bottom and to see another sweep. So that's it, guys. Take a look at the market more globally. Capitulation, disbelief. So technically, guys, if you believe in Matic, of course, you can accumulate even now. Some people claim like, oh, take a look, we traded it's even under 1 cent, now we're so high. Yes, of course, guys. Based on this logic, Celestia should dump to 2 cents, for example. Based on this logic, the Ethereum should drop to, I don't know, $100. XRP should dump to 1 cent. So it's not all the time, you know, we form the, come back to the some levels what we saw in, for example, January 2021 or post-COVID dump. Yes, Algorand, for example, dump it and sweep the liquidity of COVID dump. Some tokens not. I don't think so. The Matic will drop that low. Weekly time frame, guys, here. No money inflow, but we saw the bullish divergence. MACD bullish divergence pump, RSI bullish divergence pump. I would like to see the drop lower, money inflow, and only after that recover move. Daily, some money inflow starts flowing into Matic Polygon now. 1, 2, 3, 4 days in a row. Whales accumulate. Approximately, it can be like 20 cents price. And definitely, guys, at 40 cents, they will withdraw initial deposit and ride with the free tokens. Main signal to buy, sell, buy back. No new signal to take profit from the sell. So if you use my customer cassette, I highly recommend you use alerts, trade on, take profit, create alerts, and track it. 12-hour time frame, also still not have the take profit. I wish to see this one. So sell, take profit, after that confirmation to buy. Now we see only the sells. That's the point, guys. Take a look, the last indicators, take profit. Here, I want to see the sweep of this liquidity pool of April. Test the buy line on a daily, 1449. This one, maybe even the fundamental value. I don't think so. We're going to drop to fundamental value like 10 cents, 83, but it's possible to close the monthly gap. From these current prices, guys, if we will drop, we not count like this one. So it's a 50%. If we will drop to the buy line on a daily, you need to recover back 47%. If we drop to the fundamental value of the stock, and you need to recover from these current prices if you decide to buy now, just in case, 97% up to recover back at a break even. Just globally on the weekly time frame, we underrated, so underrated. We rejected at in June at a fundamental value. So I wish to see one more sweep and continuation. Believe it or not, but sooner or later, the first target will be trouble area 34, 31, take profit 68, and a sweep of break of structure with a with a week 78, 76 to close the 91 cents fulfill. If we will see the altcoin season a little bit extended in time around these targets, we can see, or but it's hard to believe, like October, November, it should be, I don't know, something like this one. Hard to imagine. Or March, April, May. So that's it, guys. I hope you like this video. Write us in a comment what do you think about Polygon. If you'd like to trade with my custom America or showed in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.